But the reality is that technology is now massively impacting the grocery industry. And that speed of impact is just going to increase. And so I think, the point that Scott made about it being and finding the right partners to implement solutions quickly, because technology is driving the bus. And Amazon is leading the pack and Walmart's chasing them down, and everybody else is kind of getting sucked along behind in the wake. There is no choice but to be, close to the leading edge of this thing, because anywhere else is just going to be really, really hard to be. And so I spent a lot of time talking to the CEOs and the C-suite of the retailers around the country, in fact, around the world. Everybody's struggling with this challenge of how do we adapt our organizations and adopt things at a speed that's just getting faster and faster, when we've got all of these people that we've got to take on the journey with us. And you've got to adapt store systems, and having processes to be able to test, learn, pilot, deploy, and then embed very, very quickly, I think is going to become a core competence of a retail business. And so, for those of you that are in retail businesses, I would focus on that. Make sure that you've got great processes to do that, because you're going to need those skills across all aspects of your organization. And the pace, this isn't, COVID and then we stop. Unfortunately, technology just gets faster and faster and faster, and it goes in an exponential way. So, it just, each time it gets faster even than the last time. So we've got to learn to change as an industry at a rate that's increasingly quick. And that's the biggest challenge for the grocery industry and for the vendors into the grocery industry.